Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I want to show you how you can use images in forms, whether it be in the questions or in the answers. So if you look at our first example, I actually have gone to the question itself and I've added an image from the right side toolbar as a passage from King Richard II. And then underneath that, what I have done is added the question that is about that image. And the image is just a snapshot or a snip from a PDF. So that's one option, is actually using the image tool in that right side toolbar. Next up is going to be in the question itself. I can type something of whatever my question is, and then just to the right side of that, we see that we have an image option. So when we click on that, we add our image and it goes below my question, and then I add my answers down below that. The third option that you have is down at the bottom of my screen. Which picture should we use for the website? This case, we're going to add answers. So we're going to go to option 1. We're going to go to the right side. We'll click on the image button from here. We'll pick the image that we want, insert. And then we're going to go to image 2, which is going to be add option. Option 2, image. Go to our drive, find out those things that we want to use. We'll select, insert. And then we'll, just for grins and giggles, go to option 3, pick, drive, find the option we want, and insert. Okay, so now that we've got the 3 options, what does it look like for the person taking the quiz or the survey, whatever it may be? We'll go to the top right corner of the screen. We're going to click on that eyeball button. And then from there, you'll see at the very top, we have our passage, that is the image from the toolbar, and the question down below. The second option is to use the image in the question and then add answers down below. And then the last one, when we add the answers as the image, which picture should we use for the website? There are our 3 options. So those are a few different ways that you can use images in Google Forms for whatever you are doing within your quiz, survey, test, and whatnot with forms. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or how to. This is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.